I am testing different angles, and this one feels unnecessarily uncomfortable, and I'm kind of going with it. So yeah, this is how we're gonna start this video. So all of that weirdness aside, just real quick to give you all some updates at the beginning of this video. It's gonna be kind of boring because the bus is still at the converter and it's Thanksgiving. So forgive the crappy phone quality footage. Okay, yeah, that's just getting worse before it gets better. Anyways, yeah, so right now the bus is at the converter. They're working on it. They sent us some update photos. We may or may not share them with you. They're not really that interesting. Anyways, so yeah, it's getting worked on. They're putting cool electrical stuff in it. It should be done in like 2 to 3 weeks at the most. So we're hoping like mid-December. We're gonna put cabinets in, all that fun stuff. Anyways, all of that to say that it is getting worked on. We just don't have any content because it's being worked on. So we're hoping to do some sort of like a walkthrough. But aside from that, it's Thanksgiving. We're gonna go to visit our family, as everybody in America typically does, except for we also don't have a family, but that's neither here nor there, I guess. Anyways, so we're gonna visit family. That's why there's not gonna be a lot of content in this week's video, so just kind of bear with us. Enjoy what footage we do have come kind of here, and yeah, just thanks for watching.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! What are y'all's plans? You gonna eat lots of food?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I'll eat food.
Well, then I was asking our audience as well.
I don't care about their opinion.
Okay. Well, we wish you guys a very happy Thanksgiving.
Hey.
Hi, puppies. This is, I think it's Cassie.
Yeah, Cassie. Hey, Cassie. Gimbals on the face.
Oh, no, 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 no. Stop! Wow.
I want to throw stop!
What if I can bounce it?
Yeah, I think it can bounce. Stop! No! I don't feel safe in my own home.
You gotta make your arm like straight, babe. Ow! Hey! So while Robin and Seth and Alphonse were busy playing with Nerf guns, I cleaned up Seth's room. Look how much space.
I helped.
Yeah, you helped a tiny bit. I organized all the drawers, his closet. So we drove up from Thanksgiving to their house so I could get the backsplash. Oh my, it is very dark in here. Okay, let's see if I can find the backsplash. Okay, there we go. There it is, and I just need one. There's our water tanks, by the way. If you haven't seen these, I don't think we've gotten footage of these yet. But, yeah, because we're going to go to Lowe's. Oh, it looks like all the wasps left that nest. That's good. But yeah, we're gonna go to Lowe's and do a whole design session, which Alphonse is not very excited about. But this is my deal that I get to do. Oh my gosh, it's so wet. Ugh. And so we'll have fun with that. It's design session day today, y'all. We're going to go to Lowe's and figure out what flooring, what, I guess, cabinets, countertops we want. We already have our backsplash right here. And then we got this from our friend Madison. But hopefully we'll figure out what we want to go in blue out.
Sure.
30% off. So you're wanting this one? Our gold standard. One coat. Outstanding. And this would be for our counters or our cabinets?
And walls.
And walls, okay. So I just Googled it, and apparently Sherwin-Williams paint is much better than Valspar, but it is also a lot more expensive. So after conversing with Alphonse, we are going to use interior cabinet paint, probably Sherwin-Williams if it's in our budget because it's better. But then also we're going to have to use auto paint for the front interior of the bus where like the passenger seats are and the part like near the dash and above. Because we need a paint that bonds really well to metal. So that's why we're gonna use auto paint for that. Hey, look! That's it right there in the picture.
Oh.
Is that what we need? 30 by 12. I think that's what we need. The uppers, so 79 bucks. And then we need, oh wow, that one's long. Look at that long boy. That'd be nice to have drawers. Where's the 36 one? I don't see the 36. Oh, is this the 36? There we go, 36 inch base cabinet. Ta-da! So we're gonna use this shiplap looking wood, which it's really pretty. It'll be really nice on the ceiling. And it's gonna be, so it's 1 inch thick by 6 inches long. Well, this way, 6 inches. And by 12 feet. So we'll get some of the 12 footers. And then we'll also get some of the 8 footers.